Good morning students. In this video lesson we will study more about the population growth model. There are basically two models for the population growth. One is the exponential growth model and second is the logistic growth model. Exponential growth model, it assumes that the resources available in the habitat or in the environment is unlimited in nature. So when the resources availability is unlimited in the habitat, the population grows in an exponential or geometric fashion. This is called the exponential growth model. The equation for exponential growth can be derived as follows. dn upon dt is equal to b minus d into n. Suppose b minus d is equal to r. Then the equation is dn upon dt is equal to Rn, where n is the population size, r is the intrinsic rate of natural increase, b is the birth rate and d is the death rate. R is an important parameter assessing the impact of biotic and abiotic factors on population growth. In exponential growth model, when n in relation to time is plotted on a graph, that means if we make the graph between n and t, the curve becomes J-shape. So the exponential growth model gives the J-shaped curve. Another growth model for the population growth is logistic growth model, which says that the resources are limited in nature and they become limited at a certain point of time for any population. So no population can grow exponentially. This growth model is more realistic. Every ecosystem or environment or habitat has limited resources to support a particular maximum number of individuals present in the population. That is called the carrying capacity of that particular ecosystem or environment or habitat, which is usually denoted by letter K. When n is plotted in relation to the time t, the logistic growth shows sigmoid curve and is also called Verholt-Pearl logistic growth model. It is given by the following equation: dn upon dt is equal to Rn in bracket k minus n upon k, where n is the population density at time t, r is the intrinsic rate of natural increase and k is the carrying capacity. The logistic growth model is very important for the perspective of board examination and it can be asked by the name of Verholt-Pearl logistic growth model. Life history variation says that evolution of population aims at improving the reproductive fitness to the maximum in their habitats. This is called Darwinian fitness. Under selection pressures, organisms evolve towards the most efficient reproductive strategy. The rate of breeding varies from species to species, as some organisms breed once in their lifetime, such as the Pacific salmon fish and the bamboo, while others breed many times during their lifetime, like most of the birds and mammals. Some organisms produce a large number of small-sized offspring like oyster and pelagic fishes, while others produce a small number of large-sized offspring like birds and mammals. Ecologists suggest that life history traits of organisms have evolved in relation to the constraints imposed by the abiotic and biotic components of the habitat in which they live.